Hey, what's up everybody? Adobe Masters here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add waves onto still water. It's a fun little effect. As you can see as we play right here, you can see the little waves along the shoreline and over here, and it's just a fun effect to add a little bit of motion to still water if that's what you need to do. So let's get started. It's a very easy effect. First thing I did was I imported some footage from Envato Elements, a great subscription-based service where you can get basically unlimited amounts of stock footage and photos. You just pay the monthly fee and you download whatever you want. Really, really awesome website. So check that out in the link in the description below. After I imported the footage, I went and I found a single effect called Turbulent Displace under Video Effects, Distort, and Turbulent Displace. I then took that and put it onto my clip. It's going to make it all a little wonky and large here. What we want to do is first off, we want to go ahead and hide it, and we're actually going to mask it around our water area. So we're going to click that button. We're going to go from here, whoops, maybe lower that point just a little bit, into the water, around the edge here, and just make sure you capture only the water. And then now you want to go around the bottom here, and that's hard to do sometimes, so bring it down to 25%, and then you can actually click around the edge here and click. And you don't want to go too close to this because we're going to add a feather, as you see right here. So we're going to feather off this effect a little bit. If it's too close to this edge, you'll actually not get waves at the bottom, which doesn't make any sense. So we're going to create that. Now we can turn back on Turbulent Displace, and with that, we're going to fit the scene again. Click away, and you can see that we now have some warpiness happening here. So now we're going to go down to our Turbulent Displace. We're going to play with the settings here. This is a little aggressive. You can see it's also not moving. So first things first, let's get our evolution going. Click on that little stopwatch, go to the end. About 1 revolution a second is usually pretty good. But this effect can really be changed with just, change it all around. Have some fun with it. You can see it's definitely, though, it's way too big. Way too many waves here. So we need to reduce that size down. So we're going to bring that size to maybe around a 10. And now let's just take a quick look at this. We have some better looking waves here. This is looking pretty nice. Maybe reduce the amount of waves a little bit. We don't need that many. So we have like tiny little waves, but just a little bit. And there we go. Now we just look like we have a little bit of surface pressure there. And take a look at this. And yeah, it just looks like we have some little tiny waves going around. Adds a little bit of depth to this flat shot. Just makes it look a little bit more, I don't know, just a different shot. This one's like flat as glass. It's a gorgeous shot. But if you wanted to add a little bit of fun and energy to it, just do this effect, and now it looks like it's a just slightly different fun effect. But that is how you add a little bit of waves to some water in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks everyone for joining me. If you have any question or comment, throw them in the comment section below on our website, adobemasters.net. If you would like to learn Premiere Pro through a course, I have actually created a course where I teach exactly like this. We go from effect to effect to effect, and you slowly learn this entire effect tab over here, as well as how to manipulate and change things. You'll become a much better editor in Premiere Pro, and you'll move on from just being able to edit, put clips together, to actually being able to create effects and to finish off things. So thanks everyone for joining me. Until next time, see ya.